Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to apply eyeliner, and all the products used in this video will be Younique products. So they're all buyable, they're all down in the description below if you want to get your hands on all these products. So the first product I'm going to use is the Dip and Draw Liquid Eyeliner by Younique, and as I said before, you can get them all down below in the description bar, and there will be my website down there as well, so you can buy them all from there.
Want the real thing? Can I have the real thing? I thought you would understand me. Don't know why we can't see eye to eye. Ain't perfect, but I'm being all I can be. You want me to listen, so I let you explain. You say nothing's different, but it clearly ain't the same. Boy, I thought you were for real. I'm so tired of artificial. You say keep it chill. You swear you're not being fickle, but if you are who you say, then it wouldn't be this way. I can love you with my whole heart, but you know that I can't stay for.
Okay, so next we're going to be using the MoodStruck Precision Pencil Eyeliner. So this again is by Younique, and it looks like this, and if you open it, this is this kind of tip it has towards it. So we're going to just put this on my waterline now. And as you can see, it's quite a good dark eyeliner.
No more undecided love. I've been there, I've done that. Bought the t-shirt and the hat. No guarantees, no money back. I thought you were for real. I'm so tired of artificial.
And the great thing about this mascara is it makes your eyelashes dead long. So it goes around that you don't need to have falsies or false eyelashes. Just putting this on will make your eyelashes really long. So if you've got eyeshadow on like this and it's quite bright, it will really stand out.
Want the real thing? Can I have the real thing? I wish you would just make it.
Okay, so this is the finished look, and if you liked any of the products that I used in this video, you can go down in the description below and there will be links where you can go to buy all these products. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later.